Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to update apps on the iPhone. To update apps on the iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top of the screen, scroll to see pending updates and release notes, tap Update Next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Riley. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.